2024, according to experts, is gonna be the year with the largest amounts of airdrops in history. And speaking of airdrops, in this video, we are gonna cover one of the most prominent chains which has got some great NFT collections and holding which can actually get you some amazing airdrops directly into your wallet. So with that being said, let's jump on straight onto this video. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash up the like button and also smash the subscribe button right here on your YouTube channel. And if you want to stay up to date for all the latest airdrops, NFTs, technical analysis and so on, make sure you join us on our Telegram channel. The link for both of them are given on the description below. So without further ado, let's jump on straight onto this video. So guys, in this video, we are gonna cover about the Sei NFT ecosystem, right? So all the details, what is it all about? What are some of the wallets you can use? What are some of the topmost NFTs? And most importantly, how you can buy it and how it can help you. But before I get onto the details, please understand the comments that I make in this video are of my personal opinion and none of this is financial advice. Please understand that investing in crypto and investing in NFTs is extremely risky, and please do your own research before you invest even a single penny. Now let's understand a little more about the NFTs that are listed on Sei and why are these NFTs so important, right? So the NFTs, where we can find them, first of all, we can find them on an exchange like the Pallet Exchange. The Pallet Exchange domain is Pallet, P-A-L-L-E-T, that you can see over here, .exchange. Now for buying these NFTs, what we need is Sei tokens. And from where can we buy the Sei tokens? We can buy the Sei tokens from exchanges like Binance, BingX, HTX, Coinbase, and so on. There are multiple platforms. Almost all the major exchanges have actually listed Sei quite some time back. So we can buy it directly from there. Now, what else do we need? We also need a wallet which is compatible with the Sei ecosystem. Now, one of the most prominent wallets that is compatible with the Sei ecosystem is the Compass wallet. Now, how can you find about Compass wallet? You can just simply Google about Compass wallet for Sei. If you Google about this, you will get a Google Chrome extension. And if you simply click on this, you will be redirected to the Chrome extension page where you will have this button add to Chrome. For me, it is showing remove from Chrome because I have already added it to my Chrome extension, right? Now let me show it. If I go here and if I go directly to my Compass wallet for Sui, right? You will be able to see that this is the Chrome extension for the particular wallet, right? Now it will load up in a few seconds. Here I have my wallet address. But if you are signing up for the first time, make sure you save your secret phrase at a very secured place, guys, because that is the only thing that you will be needing to recover your wallet. Let's say you are changing your computer, let's say you're changing your mobile phone, or for that matter, you have formatted your computer and you want to log into your wallet. How will you log in? There is password, but for recovery, you will actually need this recovery phase. So make sure it's around a 16-word complete pattern. You write it down in the format that has been provided by the wallet and save it somewhere, right? Once that is done, what you need to do is you need to go again to the Compass wallet and click on receive, okay? So once you click on receive, here you will be able to see your complete wallet address. You can do either one of the two things. First, you can actually scan this QR code and deposit your Sei directly into your wallet, or alternatively, you can copy, just a single click copy the wallet address and paste it directly onto the withdrawn section of Binance or any other exchange that you are using. Once you have done that, what you will be requiring to do is within a few seconds, you will see that you have got your Sei tokens over here. Now, once you have got your Sei tokens in your Compass wallet, then what you need to do is you need to head over to Pallet Exchange and you can choose any one of the NFTs, guys, right? What are the benefits now? Why should I buy these NFTs, right? Why should I buy them? The primary reason why I am buying them are two. First of all, I will be looking at selling them off at a higher price, which we generally do with tokens as well. Also, there is a great possibility that we may get airdrops directly onto our Compass wallet. Yes guys, we can get airdrops directly into our Compass wallets if we just simply hold the NFTs, nothing more to be done. If I simply hold the NFTs, I will get my airdrops directly into my wallet. Right now, how do I buy this? The first step, as I told you, we need to buy the Sei tokens and transfer it to my Compass wallet. Now the next step is I need to connect my Compass wallet with the Pallet Exchange right here. How do I do that? We can see a connect button right here. I can simply click on this and within one click, it is connected. You can see I do not have any Sei right now. That's why it says 0. Otherwise, whatever collections, anything that I have, I will be able to see it directly over here itself. Let's say I want to buy the Colony NFT. So I just simply click on this, and what I do is I click on buy now. Okay. Now, once I click buy now, it will show me you do not have enough Sei balance, right? This is the Pallet fee, around 2%. So the cost is currently $1,745, and I can buy it directly from here itself. Nothing more needs to be done. Once I have bought, it will go directly into my wallet. Under my wallet, what I can do is I can actually see all my assets. It is same for all the decentralized wallets that are available across the crypto ecosystem, right? So I can see everything, available tokens, your portfolio, everything I can see from here itself. If I just click on the menu item, I will be able to see the theme, the currency, and so on and so forth, right? Multiple things I can find over here. Make sure you do not share your security phase with anyone whatsoever, not even your family members. I will not even recommend that, friends. Okay, so that's how easily you can buy the NFTs. Again, please understand that investing in NFTs are extremely risky, guys. Okay, and I am doing it because I have been into the crypto space for quite some time now. You would be seeing our videos since 2021, so it's been 3 years that we have been making videos, and I've been into the crypto space for close to 7 or 8 years now actually, right? So, and more importantly, I am investing just a tiny portion of my complete portfolio onto these NFTs. So it's extremely important that you understand the risks, right? If you are not comfortable taking the risks, it's completely fine. You can go ahead, invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever coins you feel like. The idea behind creating these videos is to add value to your portfolios and how we can help you in achieving some success into the crypto space. So make sure you join our Telegram channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's extremely important, guys. Okay, so that's pretty much about it. So guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate you taking your time out and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much. Take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.